What's up, everybody? It's KeKe. And we are
Team Reese.
-1. But, hey, y'all. It's Vlogmas day 15, 14, 15. I'm going to go with 14. No, I'm going to go with 15. No, I'm going to go with 14. It's one of those days, y'all. They all running together. But anyway, I just got back from the gym. And RJ went and hung out at the kids club while I was at the gym. And I promised him that if he hung out at the kids club while I went to the gym, we can make some cookies, right? Yep. Is that what we're going to do? We're going to make some cookies. They're going to be easy cookies. They ain't going to be like the ones Ray made earlier during Vlogmas, because we ain't got time for all that. These going to be the kinds that you just take out the box, put them on a baking sheet, stick them in the oven. They're going to be easy. I'm finna cook me something to eat too, because I haven't had any dinner yet. But I just figured I'd bring y'all along with us because it's Vlogmas and that's what we do. You ready, RJ?
Yep.
Wanna go cook some cookies?
Yeah.
Let's go.
How about you use the cereal?
What?
How about you use
Cereal? You ate cereal for dinner?
No. You can't.
I don't want cereal for dinner. I want food. I want healthy food. I want pork chops and
Oranges.
I'm gonna have pork chops and asparagus.
Hot oranges real good too.
I don't want any oranges though. All right, let's go. All right, which one of these boxes was ours? This one? Is this it? No. That's Papa's.
It's coming.
Yep. This one ours? I think this one might be ours.
I knew it.
You what?
I knew it.
You ain't know nothing. Anybody else really bad about closing your cabinets? Like, I'm terrible about keeping my cabinets closed, y'all. Ray hates it. It drives him nuts, but I can't help it. I do it all the time. Okay, come on.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, what's the question?
Why can't you put the cookies in
a microwave?
Yeah.
Because the box says the baking is the best way to go. Let's go. You gotta break them apart. Take both hands and break them apart, child. No, you don't need a knife. Just take both hands. No, RJ, just do like this. They gotta be 2 inches apart. We can do it like that. You gonna get some more? Or is that enough? How many are we making?
Oh.
No, not all. Let's see how many we got left in here. Maybe we can get 4 more?
Yeah.
Here, you wanna put them on there?
Yep. 1, 2, 3,
4. Alright. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna fit 4 more on here. We'll try.
4,
You wanna go?
2, 3.
Are you singing while you cook? Like mommy does?
You always see why you cook?
I do. You're alright. Alright, how much time did it say? How long did it say for them to bake?
I don't know.
RJ, Daddy made you breakfast for lunch, right? Or no, breakfast for dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think that was nice? I think that was nice of Daddy.
Yeah.
Yep. You think you got good parents? 'Cause
Yes.
I think you got great parents. You do?
If I said no, Ali would be like, what about all the trips you took on?
You're right. I'll show
What
you.
about all the cruises?
What about all them cruises we took you on?
What about all the stuff we have did for you on your birthday?
You're absolutely right. So y'all, while the cookies are in the oven, I started getting my dinner together to go into the oven as soon as the cookies come out. So let me just show you real quick what I'm making. So I got some asparagus and some pork chops here. So my pork chops, I just hit them with some olive oil, rubbed them down, and then I used this triple threat seasoning from Spice Addict. It's the lemon triple threat. Coated them real good in that on all sides. It is so delicious. I love this Spice Addict seasoning. I have a few different Spice Addict seasonings. I've never tried it on pork chops, so this will be my first time trying it on pork chops. I also have some asparagus. I just cut the tips off, put some olive oil on it, seasoned it up with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, and this 21 seasoning. Wait, where'd it go? 21 seasoning blend, 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. All right, folks, everything is done. There's my asparagus, my pork chops are done, and RJ's cookies are done too. As you can see, there's 2 cookies missing. We've each already eaten one, but you know, it's all right. Cookie before dinner is fine. I'm getting ready to eat my dinner. I'm actually thinking about hitting my asparagus with a little bit of this balsamic glaze because it's really good on vegetables, so I think I'll do that. Y'all, RJ asked if we could eat cookies and watch the Peanuts movie, but then this happened. So he is knocked out. You can probably hear him snoring in the background, but I guess that means that's the end of this video. But thank you for tuning in and watching what we were able to do before RJ fell asleep. Maybe we'll pick it back up tomorrow, but for now, we're going to call it a night. We're going to both get some rest. He's already getting some rest. I'm going to get some too. And we will see you on the next episode of Vlogmas. Bye, guys. Make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. Bye.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, but you got a bit in that bag.